Holy it's okay. Remember to stay hydrated. Time to show you guys what's inside my pockets for the month of August. Let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon and I hope you're having a good day. So before I show you guys what's in my pockets for this month, I got a couple packages in that I am super excited for. We're gonna quickly unbox these and then we'll get into what I'm carrying. This first package is from TRM. You guys may already know who they are, but Marianne over there hooked it up with this package. Let's just go ahead and dive into it, see what this thing is all about. Guys, with TRM, I've been pretty excited about them. They've sent some pretty cool stuff. Inside, we've got a note. Looks like we've got a TRM NUETRON with 3D contoured titanium scales. We've also got a set of carbon fiber scales, and that's what I'm greeted with. Holy cow, guys. This is looking awesome. Let's open up these scales. I'm kind of interested in seeing what these things are all about. Holy cow. These are gonna be awesome. Guys, I've never handled nor owned a TRM knife, so the NUETRON it's kind of the one that I'm really excited about. Let's open this bad boy up. I love the packaging that they've got here. You've got a little Yorkie, I'm guessing. And then there's all of TRM's contact information. They also do have a lifetime warranty. That's pretty impressive. We've got a really cool sticker here as well. And here is the NUETRON with titanium scales. Extremely sharp. They do this kind of like Microtech and ProTech. But holy cow. Whew. All right, okay. I can see why people are so excited about TRM. Wow, this is an incredibly made knife. It's got a really nice deep carry pocket clip, and then this thing is made out of 20 CV. Holy cow, guys, this thing is great. I'll definitely be posting a full review on this knife after I give it some pocket time. We'll probably swap in these carbon fiber scales. I don't know which one I would throw on though. The titanium scales feel amazing. And if you guys know me, carbon fiber and titanium are my most favorite scales to date. Sweet, so the NUETRON 2, that is an awesome knife. Let's actually use the NUETRON and see how it cuts with this next package that we've got from Big Idea Designs. This one I'm incredibly hyped about. Let's open this bad boy up. Holy cow, okay. It's kind of a heavy package. Big Idea Design, I've got a bunch of their tools and products. Man, okay. So we've got, what is this? Is this a tool? I think this is somewhat of a tool. I don't know what it is, actually. What is this thing? I'm assuming this is to remove the pocket clip. Yeah, this is a pocket clip removal tool. It looks pretty small and tiny. It's good to slap on a paracord or keychain, so that's pretty cool. Is there anything inside this little package? We've got some leather. I assume that's gonna be for whatever's inside here. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. The packaging is very clean. There's really no branding aside from the Big Idea Designs logo here. Okay, we're gonna use that NUETRON again because that thing is actually cutting pretty well. And let's get right into it. Okay, this is fancy. I don't even know if I want to open this. This looks like I need to give it the white glove treatment, but here is the box for this pen, I'm assuming. Jeez, man, this packaging is next level. Oh my God. Okay, that is one fancy pen. Holy shit. Okay, so this is their mini click, but this is the Damascus version. Holy shit, guys. I'm gonna have to overlay some B-roll just to show you guys the detail on this thing, but it is absolutely incredible. Everything from the clicking mechanism, so the pocket clip, to the entire pen is Damascus, done in this beautiful purple, orange, yellow kind of theme. We've got some extra spare parts, and let's just go ahead and rip the band-aid off and see what's inside this. I mean, this is a really nice pen, guys. We're just gonna, let's see if I can cut it. Is the NUETRON good enough? Yep. Okay, we're gonna cut it right there. And I assume this is the COA, or Certificate of Authenticity. Oh my God. This thing is made of metal of some sort. And this is the first edition, one of 22 titanium Damascus mini click pens. Each one unique in both patterns and colors, no two alike. This is serial number MCD20, so number 20. And this is from batch 1. Damn, guys, this is probably the nicest pen in my entire collection now. This is probably the most incredible packaging that I've ever gotten out of any product whatsoever. You know, Apple does really well, but this is next level. You've got a wooden box and then also that really nice custom COA. Huge shout outs to TRM as well as Big Idea Design for hooking us up with this stuff. And a quick word for today's sponsor. So I get this question all the time. Where do I get my knives? Whether it's a budget Civivi knife or a really hard to get Chris Reeve knife. That answer is going to be House of Blades, today's video sponsor. They're located out of Fort Worth, Texas, and have an incredible showroom, but what's really interesting is their brand new website. They have a bunch of connections in the knife industry, so they can offer brands like Benchmade, Microtech, Chris Reeve Knives, Kershaw, ZT, just to name a few. And a matter of fact, one of my most favorite knives in my collection is from House of Blades. That is going to be the We Banter House of Blades exclusive. This thing comes with beefed up copper scales as well as a 20 CV blade, but what's really cool is they put my logo on the blade. You guys can do this to your knives as well. All you need to do is contact House of Blades via email or give them a call, send over your design, pick a knife, and they will laser engrave whatever image it is to the blade. This will really give you a lot of personalization and a one-off feel to your knife. If you guys are interested in purchasing a knife from House of Blades, I'll be dropping a link in the description below along with a 10% discount code. Thank you so much to House of Blades for supporting this channel. Let's get back to the video. Alright guys, I've been keeping you guys waiting for too long now. Let's go ahead and show you guys what's in my pocket for the month of August. And of course, I've got my pouch of choice, none other than the Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch Plus. This one is the OD green one. I think I made a video on this. If I didn't, here it is. And then we've got this thing suited up with a bunch of different kind of Tiffany blue styling. I've got the JRW patch here, the JRW & Co. kind of world patch. We've got some from 4T5 Design, and then we've got the Lean Cup. After that, you guys have seen this before. This is the Combat Beads. I think it's the Revolt in the Iguana. Got that Urban EDC supply. And then inside the pouch, there's a few things. This month, I'm actually not carrying a Hank with this stuff just because I think this will kind of give it a little bit more of a character if this stuff starts to scratch against each other. The first thing I've got is gonna be from Glow Rhino. So you guys have seen this pry bar a ton of times on my channel. It's a fantastic little tool. It works as a ball opener made out of titanium and it has that tritium inlay. However, I did add on this really cool unicorn fob. This thing is really cool just because it can extend the use of that pry bar, and then it also has a really unique purple/blue tritium inlay. It looks really cool, can work as a glass breaker, just a really cool combo. So I just had that attached to the titanium pry bar. As a matter of fact, Gear Spool did send out another pry bar for me to kind of try out as well. This is a really tiny pry bar, so if you need to get into like those really small crevices where this pry bar would not work, I think these are really cheap on Amazon. Again, I'll be leaving a link in the description below. But yeah, we're just kind of testing this one out. I know for a fact that the Glow Rhino titanium pry bar is tried and true, so I can definitely recommend this. But in a future video, I'll let you guys know what I think about this Gear Spool. Really tiny, I guess this would be like a micro titanium pry bar. Next up is my flashlight of choice for this month, and this is going to be the Olight i3T EOS. This light has been in my collection for a couple years now, and I absolutely love this thing. It's about the same size as the Streamlight Micro Stream. The i3T EOS has a low mode, so really good like reading light, and then you've got this turbo mode. I believe these things go for about $30. After that, we've got my pen of choice, and that is going to be the Benchmade Shorthand. This is going to be their iteration of a bolt action pen. This thing kind of acts as like a tactical defense tool as well if you actually need to use it that way. It's really fun to fidget with. These are going to be kind of pricey, but a pen is something that you can really invest in. Like you guys just saw in that Big Idea Designs package, that thing is like, you know, top premium. You probably don't need something that crazy, but I believe carrying a pen is just going to be super universal. So my secondary knife carry is going to be none other than the Minimalist button lock. This is brand new for 2022 and it is a killer knife, guys. I've been carrying this for about a month now and it has done every single task that I've asked it to do flawlessly. And to be completely honest with you guys, this is going to be the best button lock knife that you can purchase right now. now in the sub $300 category. Aside from the ProTech Malibu, WE has done a fantastic job with this one specifically, and I can recommend this knife to just about anyone. This is just an absolutely badass knife. You guys definitely need to handle one if you haven't already. Last but not least, inside my pouch is going to be the piece of pocket art that I plan to carry. This thing is available on Urban EDC Supply right now. They're probably going to sell out pretty soon, but this is the 45 Rec or REK. This thing is made of Delrin. It is technically an SFK. If you don't know what that is, go Google it. It's pretty cool. And it's just really fun to carry this around. I like this one specifically just because of the really unique shape and design. And then I'm not sure what he used here on the bottom showcasing the 4T5 logo as well as this insignia, but this texture feels similar to like a Ranger Eye patch. If you guys are interested in me making a full pocket art video, let me know. That will kind of dive into pocket art and what it's all about. I've got a lot to say about this stuff. It's really cool to add these things to the collection. Not minimalist at all, but it's pretty sweet. I love 4T5 and what he's doing with all of his different stuff available. Let's show you guys my primary knife. You guys already saw it earlier in this video, but that is going to be the Benchmade Bug Out Custom. I think I featured this thing on other pocket dump videos, but this is just such a good knife. Mine has the custom carbon fiber inlays as well as the S90V blade. It's got that blacked out aesthetic, an upgraded deep carry pocket clip, and then the red thumb studs. It's just such a phenomenal knife, guys. The Bug Out is still one of my most recommended knives, and the custom version is just impeccable. But there you guys have it. These are the items that I'll be carrying for the month of August. Do you have questions in regards to any of these items inside my pockets? If you do, then let me know in the comments section below, and I'll be reading through all of them, trying to get those answers out for you. If you enjoyed this video, throw me a thumbs up. If you disliked it, throw me a thumbs down. And if you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so you know when that next video is live. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.